In this video, I'll show you how to fix the page isn't available right now error on Instagram. The first thing you should do is update the Instagram app. Open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if an update is available. If you see the update button, tap on it and wait for the app to finish updating. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and check if the error has been fixed. If you're still seeing the message, the next thing you should do is check whether Instagram is experiencing server issues. Open your browser and search for "Is Instagram down?" Then open a website such as Down Detector and look for any recent spikes in outage reports. If there's a large spike, the problem is likely on Instagram's side, and you'll need to wait until their servers are working normally again. If Instagram's servers are fine, the final solution is to clear the app cache. To do this, open your phone settings and go to Apps. Find and select Instagram, then tap Storage. Next, tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data if the issue continues, but keep in mind that you'll need to log back into your account afterward. Once you've done that, reopen Instagram and check if the error is gone. These are the best ways to fix the page isn't available right now error on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.